What if your smallest act of kindness changed everything? Have you ever wondered if something small you did mattered more than you realized? Not something big, not something that goes viral, just something quiet. A moment, a gesture, a kindness. When I first moved into my new home, I remember being exhausted. Boxes everywhere, everything unfamiliar, too tired to cook. I thought about ordering something in just to get through the evening. And then there was a knock at the door. My new neighbor stood there holding a warm dish she had just made. I don't even remember what the meal was, but I remember how it felt. It felt like relief, like welcome, like someone saying, "You're not alone here." And in that moment, something settled inside of me. Kindness doesn't have to be loud to be life-giving. Later on, I wanted to pay it forward. So one day, I withdrew 4 $10 bills from my bank account, and I went to the grocery store, and I taped each one to the bottom of a package of diapers. Diapers are expensive. And I remember standing there quietly thinking, whoever finds this, I hope they feel a blessing. I didn't wait to see who picked them up. I didn't need to. Because kindness isn't about being seen. It's about being felt. We live in a world right now that feels uncertain, divided, heavy at times. And it's easy to ask ourselves, what can I possibly do that makes a difference? But maybe the better question is, what if the small things are the difference? Holding the door, paying attention, choosing patience instead of irritation, offering help when no one expects it. You may never know the full story of the person in front of you, but your small act might arrive at the exact moment they were losing hope. Maybe your kindness won't change the whole world, but it might change someone's world. And sometimes that's everything. You don't have to be recognized. You don't have to post it. You don't have to announce it. Just be it. What if your smallest act of kindness is someone's turning point? What if your quiet generosity restores someone's faith in people? And what if the blessing you give comes back around in ways you can't even imagine? I think it's time for me to tape another bill to the bottom of another package of diapers. Maybe it's time for you too. Not for attention, but because the world needs gentle reminders that goodness still lives there. And maybe it starts with us.